Most people, and the thing that's kind of tough nowadays is there are not a lot of denture people in dental schools anymore, and most dentists don't have a lot of denture experience when they come out. I have a lot of dental experience with this. I was a technician for the maxillofacial prosthodontist at UCLA when I was in dental school, and I've been doing my own dentures for 25 years, since 1985. Most people take an impression, they send it off to the lab gives them a rim and wax to kind of figure out the support to the lips. The doctor and the patient pick a tooth style that they think is right. The dentist sends it off to the lab. They send it back, they try it in, and they kind of make excuses of how it is there. I find a lot of doctors trying to make excuses avoiding resetting teeth because they have to take a charge. They have to eat some money to do that if they made a mistake. So I personally have the teeth I'm using, your front teeth, in my inventory, and I will set them in your trial denture base in my office, send it back to my lab so he has an exact blueprint to do that. Most dentists haven't set a denture tooth since they graduated dental school.